Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making a very easy and simple virgin pina colada. You can make this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It's very simple and only requires a handful of ingredients. I'm just getting some ice from my refrigerator. The ingredients you will need for the pina colada is ice, 1 cup of coconut milk, 2 cups of pineapple, 1 cup of pineapple juice. I just used the juice from the can, half a cup of fresh cream. To start off, we're going to add all of the ingredients to a blender and blend everything together. After everything has blended together, you can give it a taste test. I'm just adding 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is completely optional. Once you have all that blended, it's ready to serve. Here I'm using 4 small glasses, but this pina colada is good for 4 big servings. I really hope you guys enjoy this recipe and do try it. Let me know how it was. If you enjoyed this recipe, do give this video a like and a thumbs up. And as always, watch the full video, and thanks for sharing. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.